Welcome to Narrativa's tutorial videos. Episode 1, Patient Narratives. In this episode, we will show you a brief demonstration of how to automate patient narratives from a simple SDTM file. Here you will see that you can name your project file and give a brief description of what you would like to name it and describe about it. Here on the right, you can upload your SDTM file. For this demonstration, I have anonymized these files. Once the files are uploaded, all you need to do is click Next. Here you will see my files that have been uploaded on the left-hand side. In the middle, you will see the Configuration section. Here you can decide on which configurations you want specified for the output of the narrative. Click Generate, and now you will see your narrative automatically being generated. Once it is done, you will see it appear on the right-hand side with a date and time of the output. Click on that narrative, and it will automatically allow you to download this narrative as a Word document. Open up the Word document, and here is the automatically generated patient narrative. This was a set of 9 patient narratives, and here on the sidebar, you will see the side notes that can highlight any date discrepancies or data discrepancies based on the configuration that you already set. This allows to have data to text generation through natural language generation, and also text-to-text generation with summaries of the procedure findings. This is done through our NLP natural language processing capabilities. Thank you for watching this tutorial video, and thank you for accelerating the potential to save more lives.